So you've cooked up some chicken and you've got some leftover cooking oil here. Don't want to pour it down the drain. Don't want to pour it outside anywhere. It makes a mess out there. This is was cooked last night. Had some fried chicken in there last night, and it's completely cool. I drink bottles and bottles of water, and they're right in here. So I'm gonna grab me about 3 of them, and then just to make this a little easier to pour, I'm gonna put it in this little measuring cup right here. Bring that over to the sink. Grab that oil, transfer it over there. Here's what I'm gonna do with them.